po yaon na dyan sa Naga City Youth Center. Itong may sa may harani sa radyo ng bayan. Igwa po kaming opisina dyan. Siya po ang area officer kang Southern Luzon that includes Naga City and Camarines Sur and Bicol area. And sa National Youth Office, sa National Office ni po, ang office po ni Kuya Polly. Sa National Youth Commission, yaon po kami sa 4th floor, Bookman Building, 373 Quezon Avenue, Quezon City. So, iyan po ang Samoyang address. Ang Samoya pong telepono naman, 487-440. So, 02-4487-440. Iyan po ang direct line ni Kuya Paul, ang Office of the Executive Director. Duman po sa opisina ko, pag may nagsimbag duman, pwede ko mag-Bicol. Ta mga Bicolano ang yaong duman sa kuyang opisina.
Okay. So, at home pala sila, no, Polly? So, we would like to thank you for joining us.
Thank you, sir.
Tonight's edition of the Inside Bicol, no? And good luck to your program
Salamat
to the
po.
National Youth Parliament, which will be held tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, congratulations again, and have a good stay here in Naga.
Salamat po. And Diyos mabalos, marinabanggi po sa tuyong mga kababayan. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you to all of you there watching Inside Bicol, and remember to also watch us on the internet because we're on live streaming. Again, thank you and good night.